from wherever you are tuning in from. I say Andra Pinaka, and to all the
industry
visitors from overseas visitors who are here enjoying their short stay, their short ngande.
Right.
We say welcome
Ho.
to VTFM on Ouch Palangi Show.
I would like to say good morning to the family of Nasinu Gospel Primary School for the interhouse yesterday.
Right.
Good morning.
And also to Mr. Griffith Peckham,
Yeah.
to Master Griffith Peckham and Mrs. Peckham,
All right.
not forgetting Peter Whippy,
Yeah.
and also to Benjamin Peckham,
Yeah.
the 1B class from Nasinu Gospel, to Peter Abu and Puna.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining this
Pura tu going
morning.
to school at
He for the supporters.
Oh, okay.
Supporters for the kids, for the
Right.
yellow color, yellow house,
Yeah.
for their interhouse yesterday. Very good in watching the kids.
Yeah.
Well, supporters from the parents
Yeah.
are being part of the game yesterday.
So what time the tournament event finished?
I don't know.
Oh, you left early?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, set.
Yesterday he was absent,
Who's?
John Kumar.
Ah.
But today he is here.
Present.
Present.
Oh, okay.
We don't know because yesterday is the first day.
Yeah.
He was
Harvesting-
absent.
Yeah.
And today he was present.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for tuning in back.
Hold on.
Okay, come.
Okay, just tell the listeners this morning what we smell in the studio.
Okay,
Yeah.
to each and everyone who listening this wonderful morning.
Yeah.
We were sitting beside myself, was sitting beside Atu.
Yeah.
Atu was sitting beside Demesi. And the gap between me and Atu,
Yeah.
we smell the body spray.
Yeah.
Body
language.
Body spray. It was really in good smell.
Yeah.
And I was like turn like this to the other side. I can smell it when I turn it back.
Yeah.
I can smell it in beside me and Atu.
Yeah.
So, but it's very
Difficult.
No, it's very. You know, this is the first morning.
Yeah, very contour.
First morning to smell the spray inside the car.
Baka tagi Father Sevex nga.
Yes.
When you open this letter, when you smell this smell, this is my smell.
Warang
But this smell this morning, it's different smell.
Dulu mo na, okay.
Yeah.
Because kada vito kan belum na tolong ulisalan ni Andri Matavinaka. The Sorry corridor is a very congested road, especially in the morning. May baka di kuwa, kaya kami na rabi tolili. Baka muring apa binakon dalaw ni usala.
Yeah.
So sakila ni oso sek tangana sidi.
Oh,
Please, may pamuring nga.
You have to respect each other.
Iyo, pamaluang nga.
Don't be peep.
Okay.
Iyo.
To the Mbula ambulance driver.
Oh.
Karosay.
This is Sai Sokibeta.
Oh, karwa
From
namin.
Nakasi, Awai Chunawada, Mbula Benaka, Hector Zing Jr., Mbula Benaka, and everybody. Veronica Maria Friend, Mbula Benaka, Sakiusa Kautoka, Tame Grace Fe Indengay,
Iyo.
Wakan Yuni Benaka, Rabu Bengrabi, this morning.
May.
Tuxlebula and the brother Janendra Singh, they are going down to Singatoka in this morning in GS 634.
Ano na cafe, papadule.
Papadule.
Marutaw siya na kaya na ikatalawa na mataka ni kuwa. Kaya kami kaya na maramatin. Ano
Okay.
bito kanya na pagkatambi sino ko. Okay. Our story this morning. Okay. Before we go to our story, explain about the fire. The yami, the flame. Kung na yami.
Yeah.
Nata bichuki na.
The flame,
Yeah.
the air inside the flame.
Huh?
You didn't see it. Because where there is oxygen, there is fire.
Actually ba?
Oxygen because when there is a fire, you use a fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Fire extinguisher contain carbon dioxide.
Reda mo. See, listen.
When there is no oxygen in a room,
Yeah.
there is no fire.
Right.
Okay.
If you light one candle
Yeah.
in a jar and you close a jar, what will happen? He only can flame when there is oxygen inside. When the oxygen finish,
Yeah.
that thing class marge.
Oy, garota men to baka makamang ngona tangi kina bu.
Yeah.
Kana ko ya.
Kana.
Because oxygen is there.
Oh, is present eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So fire extinguisher,
Yeah.
the carbon dioxide is rich there.
Yeah.
So whenever you doing when the fire is coming, use a carbon dioxide down from the fire extinguisher,
Yeah.
the thing stop.
So you breathe in oxygen.
Breathe in oxygen.
So the fire is in yourself.
If the fire,
Eh?
yeah.
Agi kilapong kajara tara.
That's why you see dragon.
Yeah.
You see dragon. They form the fire from their
Okay,
mouth.
set. Right, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, I was told this morning about the two tavales.
Okay.
Two tavales or what?
Yeah, they are Tavale.
Okay, one is a farmer and one is a
One is
diver.
out.
Diver.
Yeah, one is a diver.
Okay.
So they went to the sea.
Yeah.
Before then, they was waiting in the lunchtime.
Yeah.
The fella said, "Oh, tak mani kusimaliw kabiyaw."
Yeah.
Awas kusimaring.
Yeah.
Hamango.
Hamaram fish karoyar na.
Ah.
So the fella was there, was asking the Tavale, the Daununu,
Yeah.
Ah.
to go to fishing. No, we will go together. We are with Tavaleni, we need to work together.
Yeah.
Everything we do
together.
together.
Right.
Coming from the farm, eating roro every day.
Yeah.
Want to was down.
But the fella from the farm, he is a good farmer.
Yeah.
Titeo ko.
Ah.
But he only good at the farm, in the
Oh.
forest.
Right.
He is not good at the
Diving.
diving.
Don't know, yo.
He akan daw rin bakasar na lang ito.
Yeah.
Tabale.
Because he's not from the way to, yeah?
Iya, he is a cerebral ketchup. Kondo bisumona.
Yeah.
Oh.
Bisumono, okay, we go together.
Tomato sauce.
Fiber? Fiber? They're going to the sea. Very rough sea.
Yeah.
So when they went to the sea, they look on the time. Okay, let's do.
Yeah.
It's a rolling nunumbongingo.
Woo, one and
Everything that is been prepared when you go to the nunumbongi.
Yeah.
So when they doing the spearing on the cow,
Yeah.
but very small fish and not much, eh?
Not much here.
here.
So the diver said, we go to the Mbatilili,
Yeah.
the hanging teeth.
Yeah.
Araw-araw-
Batilili nindondomo.
Arosalaw ng Batilili so that they can catch some big fish from there.
Yeah.
So when you go to the Batilili, when you spearing fish, you'll never stay at the Batilili.
Yeah.
You go at the Dipa. Lawan
Yeah.
na tomba.
Yeah.
When you stay in the tomba, ngay manali sumay because
Should back because the...
the mekunyel na moto.
Yeah.
Sorry.
If you shoot from the Batilili, you go to the tomba.
Yeah.
You lost your spear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to from the tomba, you should lesumay ki from the Batilili, so that when you spear like this, you can see your spear on the side of the coral.
Yeah.
So they when they do.
Yeah.
Wati marabu Susana hidden angel and naka
Tai rongo tai mai
pati ko tamay wati
Yeah, yeah.
pinapakaliw.
Rongo.
So when they go, they doing the spearing. So one big fish come tabale to the farmer.
Yeah.
The devil said to the farmer, when they see the big fish
Yeah.
about to shoot, Raida, one job, listen, one job.
Yeah.
Your job is to take that to Siba. Okay, kawala nga men daw din na yung maniway.
Right.
Napa na ni diver.
Right.
So when they go to the deep sea,
Yeah.
about to spear one big fish,
Yeah.
the fella leave the diver coming up. Asama rin iba salo taliki. Elaka na idem.
O fama.
Nila na
Not
idem.
used to
Yeah, not used to it.
Yeah, sigmataw si Ber.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he doing it.
Yeah.
So going up again.
Yeah.
So after that, when you doing the spearing in the night,
Yeah.
nengon nunumbong itu kita pakai ngana lamba. It's like a murder.
Yeah.
Because the fish is sleeping.
Sleeping.
Right.
So when you come like this, boo, boo.
Yeah.
You choose.
Yeah, you
The
choose.
bigger.
Depend you use the gun or use the piriki.
Yeah.
The piriki and the one renga.
O kutari.
Kutari ko rin alawan na tayo jinja. So
Alam mo kung sama kitong.
when they going,
Yeah.
so when they look up like this,
Yeah.
they want to see their boat, but they are very far from the boat.
So the boat is drifting.
Iya, sa kuku na kele-kele.
Yeah.
Sa drifting because of the weather.
Kuku sa lieli na kele-kele. Yeah.
Sa toso na wanga.
Yeah.
So from there, sa ngaybango
Fish o diver?
Diver.
Yeah.
Vale,
Yeah.
you have to stay here.
Oi. Buto ni Bungo.
Buto ni bongo.
Yeah.
He's a
In the middle of the
lady.
night.
Iya, dapat ako ndo mo na naway.
Tabale.
Abale.
Yeah.
Tapos naman to the
He
farmer.
face to the land.
Yeah.
Sa ribango sa kami kambu-kambu yawa tumi na pano.
Don't lay na din na.
Iya, sa kilanga sa ambong.
Yeah.
So when he was there, he told the fella, see,
Yeah.
Tabal, you have to wait here.
Yeah.
I have to swim to the boat.
Oh,
No,
diver.
mongalo bang ko nawangka.
Yeah.
But one thing, one big kere-kere.
Yeah.
Au kere mo na ko tapati kyo na din, ang balta mo rin din na nawangka. Niwangka sa baka imbito na batilili sa mua ki na mo na titombo inak tomba.
Yeah.
Mengalo ba?
Yeah.
I have to ni ba binakaki ni balita ni baba ni nunu ito tolo.
Gori.
Io famo qua andar tu kan non sul non si kan na liku basili.
Hindi ko masila na na siya. So that fella was there. What about okay, stay here. Mbuto to kay ke o nalista le ba yun din. I have to
Membuto
go.
to kay.
I have to membuto ko
Sama
dali.
Antonio fama.
Sama doon niya.
Oh, kachuan na sa mai.
Sa tabali doon. Doon tabali.
Iya.
Ako na uwa bitara ko ala ko menda kuna.
Iya.
Sana numo tabali siya nakahang ko sangay mo tumay na napakasama. This is my tabali.
Iya.
He will run away from us.
What's yang kita lo
He
tinggal?
will con me.
Iya.
He will con me.
Iya.
So the fella, okay, wait here, set.
Iya.
Sangay matay nga ni no na dai fo tabale no dai ba?
Iya, menunu.
Menu no me dai fo tena nunu me ngai botu dake mai.
Iya.
Ngai kita dala satang kento mono. O tabale no fa, o fa. Baka nga mo raider na bitin ni boto nan raki suo. Ni saba pa mai ke. Tuguno tabale, vale, no kere me bogo muri. Asa marini bata de we botu tabala.
Allah kamu
Ada kilo fama. Saya ngan tahu ini coach de juga.
Binabale to everybody joining this morning. Yeah, to Punjas and Vinod Patel. Thank you very much. And the song today, Deres Raka, Dex, to be a man.
Just to be a man.
Yeah,
Iya, sana ka ba ya? Ubot ka. Ano, ba't ba kanita din mo nang Suzuki na?
right.
So, resusu itu siya ngayon normal to ngabira.
Ele burin to sumay waitui.
Iya.
Burin to raba kana wain roka.
Iya.
Iya, betul kan buto-buto.
Basta bita nakatuki nandua, nandu na lelebu, kaya karo nangata.
Ngai kena karua, o kento may wain roka.
Iya.
Kento la kono waitui.
Iya.
Kento raba kana waitui.
Iya, betul lo rebang ko risar tu.
Yung mga nang buto.
Rambay lebu,
Rambay lebu.
Iya, sana rambay lebu.
Buto ko lang andun na lasi. Lehi.
Iya.
Dindu itu, iyo tapale sesebu. O tingi-tingi tono. Tapale sesebu ni rumbila kataya may waitu bisa linun.
Iya.
Ko yang galo.
Oi,
Papa nunung kalau may dakaw ngoy, dakaw ya.
sama tahu eh?
Sama to ko kondo liban na walu.
Bagaimana apa cika di Jung Karnivalu?
Anda pernah ke Jung Karnivalu?
Iya.
Belum pernah terbe bile senia. Wat kini senatong andong belum pernah kabina bale besar ndak betul belum mena matak dan kuat. Keke muni kena sarna veo kan.
De kita talo dai ba?
Simin kelim.
Saka cetela non domo no tabale no fama.
Ambong ni Valentine.
Nabi papa tu ya, vital tal ngai kya na mati.
Iyo kandina. Isa kilo tabale na naleng kanggo.
Dino sar.
Nagi pas mata ka sobike dan kendo bangi tortut.
Ola tila ta siam cuma waga ma New South Wales Australia.
Andra.
Siam cuma na matak kabina kenda inda.
Isa.
Kento sa may tapang ke.
Dolo bina ka se?
Na matak kabina kenda inda bina bale besar punjas ke Vinod Patel na bunguni pito koni. Kenta kena sarna veo kanin tangkai kiritu kan ta like setu ena matak kabina ni kuwa. Ena buku nonta ouch palangi show.
Gokur mundu.
Turang tani